Welcome to JK Auto Reviews. Today we're stepping into the future of mobility with something so outrageous, so luxurious, and so futuristic that it looks more like a spaceship on wheels than a motorhome. This is the all-new 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome Concept. A rolling palace that takes the very essence of Bugatti hypercar DNA and transforms it into the most opulent travel machine the world has ever seen. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just take you from one place to another but redefines what it means to live, travel, and experience the open road. From the outside, this Bugatti motorhome is a jaw-dropping masterpiece. The sleek black and white two-tone finish, aerodynamic body lines, glowing LED strips, and futuristic six-wheel setup scream dominance and elegance at the same time. It doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it, with a presence so commanding that heads will turn, cameras will flash, and jaws will drop every time this monster rolls through the city or out into the wild. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of pure power, luxury, and technology. Step inside and the magic truly begins. The driver's cockpit is something straight out of a science fiction movie, with a panoramic glass windshield giving you a fighter jet-style view of the world ahead. Holographic displays replace traditional dials, every control is futuristic touch-sensitive, and the steering wheel feels more like a spaceship command center than anything on wheels. The driver and passenger seats are wrapped in premium leather with Bugatti stitching, glowing with golden LED accents, making sure every single journey feels like piloting a private spacecraft. Move further back and you enter a lounge that would rival any 5-star luxury suite. We're talking about plush futuristic sofas, an entertainment wall with a massive 8K smart TV, ambient lighting that can be customized with a touch, and wide panoramic glass that lets you enjoy views of mountains, oceans, or cities as if you're gliding in your own private jet. The craftsmanship is next level, combining futuristic materials with Bugatti's signature style and luxury. Of course, the kitchen area is not left behind, designed with futuristic appliances, marble counters, and smart tech integration. It makes cooking on the road feel like dining in a Michelin-star restaurant. It's sleek, compact, and functional, while still dripping with luxury. The bedroom is nothing short of a masterpiece, a king-sized bed wrapped in the softest leather and fabrics, glowing accent lights around the headboard, and a futuristic glass wall that can switch from transparent to opaque with just a touch, giving you complete privacy when you need it. Imagine watching your favorite show on a massive built-in smart TV while lying on your luxury bed as the motorhome silently glides through the night. It's more than comfort, it's an experience. Attached to the bedroom is a washroom that feels like stepping into a futuristic spa, with a smart glass shower, marble finishes, high-tech mirrors, and golden LED lighting. It is elegant, modern, and luxurious beyond words, turning every stop into a 5-star hotel experience on wheels. Every detail in this Bugatti motorhome screams exclusivity and innovation, from the wheels to the roof, from the driver's cockpit to the living space. It is designed to be more than just a motorhome. It's a dream, a vision of the future, and a moving piece of art. So, when Bugatti decides to step into the motorhome game, they don't just create a vehicle, they create a revolution. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Concept is proof that the future of travel is luxurious, futuristic, and unapologetically bold. Would you live in a machine like this, or is it simply too futuristic? Let us know in the comments below. This is JK Auto Reviews.